Welcome to our math lesson on cylinders. Today we're going to explore cylindrical shapes, which appear everywhere in our daily lives, from soda cans and water bottles to pipes and drums. We'll learn how to calculate both the surface area and volume of these three-dimensional objects using simple formulas that are easy to remember. Let's start by understanding what makes a shape a cylinder. A cylinder is a three-dimensional solid with two parallel circular bases connected by a curved surface. The key measurements we need to know are the radius of the circular bases, which we'll call r, and the height between the two circular bases, which we'll call h. Now, let's calculate the surface area of a cylinder. The surface area consists of three parts: the top circular base, the bottom circular base, and the curved lateral surface that wraps around the side. If we unwrap the curved surface, it forms a rectangle. The length of this rectangle equals the circumference of the circular base, which is 2 pi r. And the width of the rectangle is the height h of the cylinder. So, the area of this curved surface is 2 pi r times h. For each of the two circular bases, the area is pi r squared. Adding all three parts together, the total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. We can factor out the 2 pi r to get surface area equals 2 pi r times r plus h. Next, let's look at the volume of a cylinder. The volume measures how much space the cylinder occupies, or how much liquid it can hold. To find the volume, we multiply the area of the circular base by the height of the cylinder. The area of the circular base is pi r squared, and when we multiply this by the height h, we get the volume formula. Volume equals pi r squared times h. Let's solve an example problem to see how we apply these formulas. Suppose we have a cylindrical water tank with a radius of 3 meters and a height of 5 meters. Let's calculate both the surface area and volume of this tank. For the surface area, we use the formula. Surface area equals 2 pi r times r plus h. Substituting our values, r equals 3 meters and h equals 5 meters, we get surface area equals 2 times 3 plus 5. Surface area equals 6 pi times 8. Surface area equals 48 pi square meters. Using 3.14 as an approximation for pi, the surface area is approximately 150.72 square meters. Now, for the volume, volume equals pi r squared times h. Volume equals pi times 3 squared times 5. Volume equals pi times 9 times 5. Volume equals 45 pi cubic meters. Using 3.14 for pi, the volume is approximately 141.3 cubic meters. This tells us the tank can hold about 141,300 liters of water. Understanding cylinder measurements has many practical applications. Engineers use these calculations when designing water tanks, silos, and pipes. In packaging, knowing the surface area helps determine how much material is needed for a container, while the volume tells us how much the container can hold. Even in cooking, cylinder measurements are useful for determining how much food fits in a pot or how much cake batter a pan can hold. Let's summarize what we've learned about cylinders. A cylinder has two parallel circular bases connected by a curved surface. The key measurements are the radius r and the height h. The surface area formula is 2 pi r times r plus h. The volume formula is pi r squared times h. Remember these formulas, and you'll be well equipped to solve any cylinder problems you encounter.